Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of the Showerhead store and Hammerhead Showers. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a dual shower head, and we'll replace this fixed shower head with that. What you'll have is this beefy brass diverter, fully upgraded with all of our newest tech to make sure this thing, once it's attached, it's not going anywhere. We got our 8-inch rain shower head, 4-inch handheld shower head, and our 72-inch shower hose, all metal, built to last. Let's get into it. So in your dual shower head set, you should have everything you need for installation. It comes with hex wrench to install the diverter, also some thread seal tape. You'll want adjustable wrench. That'll help to tighten down the diverter at the very end, and a cloth just to clean up the shower arm threads before we make any installation, and another cloth just to cover the drain in case one of those screws falls down. So here we go. Before you go ahead and make your installation, want to make a special service announcement. Make sure you always use thread tape on your product. A wise plumber once said, you can't over seal. So over seal your product and you'll make sure that you'll have no leaks for life. Some threads require thread tape to get a seal, some a washer, but best to use both when you can. So we'll take the old shower head off first. Threads are nice and clean, but I have a microfiber cloth just to clean them up a little bit more. If there's any old thread tape, you're gonna wanna remove that. So we'll start bottom of the threads, and we'll do 3 to 5 turns. Just make sure you're going clockwise, so when you install the shower head, it doesn't unravel. And then make sure that the washer is seated in there. It should be pre-installed, so just make sure it's in there all the way, and then we'll hand tighten this on. And then I'll just take the adjustable wrench here. And then we'll tighten these screws here. This one is gonna make sure this doesn't spin on the shower arm. Get that nice and tight. And then this one, make sure that this body doesn't turn at all. I don't really know many diverters that have that upgrade. It's a really nice feature. So then we'll take our handheld shower head, make sure that the washers are seated in there, and we'll hand tighten this side. There's 2 different sides. Make sure you get this conical round nut on the hand shower side. And then the hex nut on the body of the diverter. Tighten it down just a little extra bit with the wrench. So we'll run some water through it and test for leaks. So you got water coming out of the handheld shower head, so we'll check the handheld connection, no leaks, or the hose connection at the diverter, also no leaks. And then we'll run it through the rain shower head and look here, and no leaks coming from the rain shower head connection. And then of course the main connection to the shower arm, looking for any leaks here or here and not seeing any. So we have a leak-free installation. If there was a leak, then you would want to remove the component that's leaking, inspect the rubber washer, make sure it's in there, make sure it's not damaged, replace it if needed, and reinstall. You can also use thread seal tape if you want, which is also included in the set. So there you have it, Hammerhead Showers, dual shower head, fully installed, ready to go. Thank you for joining me in this video. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.